Why only to traders, not to e-commerce? Regulatory and compliance issues. E-commerce platforms often face stringent regulations and compliance requirements, especially for international trade. This can make it more challenging for certain products to be sold online. Market access and trade barriers. E-commerce involves both online and offline worlds, and trade obstacles can span both spheres. For example, some countries may have restrictions on e-commerce website ownership or limits on the ability of platforms to operate, which can impede market access. Cost and logistics. The logistics of shipping certain products can be complex and costly. For example, heavy, bulky, or perishable items might be more efficiently handled through traditional trade channels rather than e-commerce. Trust and relationships. In many industries, personal relationships and trust play a crucial role in business transactions. Traders often have established relationships with suppliers and customers, which can be harder to replicate in an online environment. Governments are increasingly targeting online sellers with duties and taxation, which can increase costs and reduce the speed of e-commerce. This can make it less attractive for businesses to sell certain products online. Not all regions have equal access to the internet and digital technologies. This digital divide can limit the reach of e-commerce platforms, making traditional trade channels more viable in certain areas. These factors can make traditional trade channels more suitable for certain products and markets, despite the growing popularity of e-commerce.